Hello and welcome back to the Handy Outdoorsman. Today we're working on the well. Inside the well I have an 1.25 inch pipe going into the ground, and then inside that I've got a 3/4 inch PVC pipe that goes to the base with a foot valve on it. Well, what's happened is one of my couplings, it's down there 25 feet, has come loose and it's dropped down into the pipe. So now I don't have a connection or a way to connect into that pipe and draw water out. So I've got to pull this pipe in order to get that PVC pipe out. Not exactly what I wanted to do, but I've tried trying to put another coupler onto a pipe and connect and pull it out. It's just not working. So I've done this before. I'll put a link into the video description here on how I pulled the well before. I'm going to do the same thing. Now the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up my boom off of the tractor onto the pipe so there's a constant pressure pulling it up. So as I use this pipe to pull it up, the tractor will have some leverage on it pulling it up with me. Now I've already tried just using the boom here to pull this out, no luck. So I'm going to have to do this, but at least having the additional force pulling up should make this a lot easier. Not sure how much I'm going to get recorded today. It's very windy. I'm not sure what the audio is sounding like, but that's the game plan. We're just going to fix our well this year and hopefully put it back in soon. Now when I put it back in, I plan on putting in a 2-inch pipe. And the reason I'm going back to the 2 inches is that now I know I can rent the jackhammer and use that to put it into the ground versus a sledgehammer. And you know, last year after I put on the, or excuse me, not last year, a couple years ago, when I put this piece in, it went in within 10 minutes. So I'm sure that putting a 2-inch pipe shouldn't be that much of a difference. All right, guys, let me get set up. Let me see if I can't get this camera set up, and you guys can watch. So there you have it. I got the well pulled, and it took me less than, I'd say, 15 minutes. And that was all with the use of the tractor and the boom. So you saw how I was able to pull it up and then just relax the tension, and the chain fell back down. So this couldn't have gone any better. All right, so the well is pulled. I'm going to get geared up to put in a 2-inch well. But all right guys, just a quick little video for today and pulling the well. Until the next video, take care and God bless.